side is winning, but I think slowly but surely we will find over the weekend and in towards Monday that at least as far as eastern parts of the country are concerned, that colder weather eventually will win. Now this is where the battle zone is, it's that particular weather front. That one actually is going to fizzle out, but it'll be replaced by another one coming in from the west that, for the time being at least, really won't get that much further than its predecessor. Now you can see them both on the satellite picture. We have a band of cloud across the country at the moment, thinning all the while, and then we have some thicker cloud out to the west on that satellite picture. First band of cloud lying more or less down the middle of the country, and on the radar picture we still have some outbreaks of rain through western Scotland and other western parts of England and Wales, but all the while I think that rain will tend to get lighter and more patchy, fizzling out during the course of the night. Still a little bit of sleet and snow mixed in with it though over the hills. In central and eastern areas with some good breaks in the cloud, it will turn cold. There will be some frost around, so watch out for those icy patches on any untreated roads. There's some breaks coming into the far west of Northern Ireland into Cornwall as well. And where those breaks come along, especially in the more central areas, it'll turn misty. There'll be one or two patches of fog. But this is where temperatures are going to bottom out around about -3 or so in some of those eastern areas. A sharpish frost there, holding above freezing though in the more western areas. Now tomorrow, for much of the country, it should be a little bit brighter. Still will be a fair amount of cloud in those western areas, but it by that time should be thinner still, and may well allow a little bit of brightness through from time to time. But the best of any bright weather, certainly in eastern England, where you'll have a fair amount of sunshine. And actually in the west it'll tend to cloud over during the course of the day, rain reaching Ireland during the morning and spreading across into other western areas during the course of the afternoon and into the evening. The wind's freshening up again from the southeast, getting quite windy in these western parts, up to gale force across western Scotland there. So although those temperatures in the west won't be far off normal, it'll feel fairly cold, and as the breeze picks up in eastern areas, again, it's going to have quite an edge to it. A fairly cold day, around about 4 or 5 degrees. Moving into Sunday, 1 or 2 wintry showers near to the east coast. Otherwise, like today, with a band of rain, sleet, snow over the hills, stationary in central areas, brighter in the west.